You want it to be even on there, so you're going to have to feel with your hand just to make sure that you're getting it even all around. So you don't want it to be tilted or anything to one side or the other.
Well, this thing isn't centered. It's kind of like off. So there's like a spot where we can go in between it, but it's not like in the center.
Whew. Yeah, just lift it just enough to get the tires off the ground. It's lifting. Just keep going. All right, this one's off the ground. Is it leaning to the other side? All right. So the other side's not coming up quite yet. Just do it a little bit more and see.
This one's really sketchy.
Huh?
It looks a little sketchy. Kind of shifted a little bit.
Yeah. It looks like it's slowly coming off over there. It's wanting to lean that way, but we can balance it. I mean, we can push down on this side a little bit to lift on that side. See? See what I meant?
Yeah.
I just barely touched it. Alright, so what you can do, since that thing's got rollers, these front rollers swivel. So if you pull it to come this way, then the car will follow it. If it falls, it's not going to fall very far. It's got. No, you need to leave that in there. That way you can use that to kind of pull it around.
Oh, okay.
You want me to do it, or you want to do it?
I don't know. Should we turn the front wheels first?
Oh. Well. Not necessarily. If we turn them as if we're going that way. That way, when you pull the back of the vehicle this way, they'll already be pointed towards the direction we want them. We want them to go that way, right? Okay, that makes sense. We're gonna. The Model T got in here. We just couldn't turn it to. We want the engine to be pointing that way, so that's what we're trying to figure out. We're going to swing that back in around this way, so that we can have it over here in this area. All right, so yeah. All right, we're going to swing that car around. Well, the swivel wheels were still pointing the wrong way. That one's pointing the right way. So you can get really cool. Pull it kind of towards. Yeah.
trailer open there, go the other way?
I think so. Because as we swing this around, we want the tires to be kind of even when we get it slow around.
You got it, okay.
Foot and a half.
I didn't even realize that.
Here. I'm going to kind of get a little push to it. Push. Ready? Yep. Ready? Let's check the front. Alright. Okay, I'm going to turn these wheels the other way now.
Okay.
Okay. Doing good. Yeah. You ready? Yep. Woo. Check the front. Alright.
We can probably just push it now. Maybe.
Let's go ahead and swing it around a little bit with that. I think it'll be much easier.
Okay.
There's still that room, right?
I have a little bit, yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. A little more. Okay, that's good. I think we can maneuver it on our own now. Woo. So we swing that around and lower it down.
Probably lower it down right here.
Woo. Let's shut this door.
That's weird. If I turn this wheel, it turns the other one the opposite way.
I know, it's weird how that works. But when you're on the road and it's going, it seems to do right. Man. Hey, baby chickies. Hey, baby chickies. Baby chickies been watching everything. All right. I think you're doing great, Joshy. Woo! You okay?
Yeah.
Good. Hey, we got it inside. All right. Our new project Model T. Check it out. Check it out. That's the magneto. That's the transmission. That's the engine. That's the engine. And the magneto. And the transmission. And the radiator and all that good stuff. Be careful. Don't hurt yourself. Alright.
Air conditioning project.
Yeah. There we go. You want to take a break?
I'm good.
Me too. We got it in here and And perfect. Say cheese, Joshy. You like a new project?
Yeah.
I do too.
Sounds good. That's screwdriver.
Yeah. Screwdriver. High tech.
It looks fancy at this angle.
Yeah. When we get it all together, it's going to be wonderful. We're a ticket for a drive.
There's no parts in this pile. I'm scared about.
Parts in the car. Different little parts in the car. It's our dirty workshop. That's good though. All right. All workshops are kind of messy in their own way, but they don't all have baby chickies. Good. You got pieces and parts outside you need to bring?
Yeah. All the
Okay.
fenders
All right. So,
and the hood.
it's a cheese.
Jeez.
Got a new project. All right. It's a, what year?
1924.
1924. Ford Model T.
Actually, I have a manual for it right here. Or the
Oh yeah.
thing that shows exactly what it is.
Yeah. Got the old Floyd Clymer, Henry's Wonderful Model T, 1908 to 1927. Oh wow. And what was this one called?
The
Tourer?
yeah.
There's different models. This one's the Tourer. Let's see.
That's 1954. 26.
Yeah.
26. This one right here.
Oh, right there.
The Touring.
The Touring. Tudor. Touring car. Coupe. Tudor.
Yeah, from front to rear.
From Touring.
Touring, coupe, and
Oh,
Tudor.
okay. The three different ones. But this is like yours.
Yeah.
Okay. Wonderful. That's a neat looking car, isn't it? Always get a shadow in your way. Yeah. Great. Yours looked that nice Sunday. Wonderful.
What did I tell you? I opened the I unfolded all the roof.
Yeah. Yeah, you told me that.
They said it looked bad.
Yeah.
It just has like 2 holes that have been patched, and it just looks old. But
Yeah.
I think it can actually be used as a roof.
I think we can use it. I don't see why not. I think it'd be great. We'll rearrange in here to be able to get this all back to a functional workshop. We had to rearrange, clean it up so that we could, in our mind, we were imagining what it would take to get the car in here. And we got it. We just had to think it through. Yeah, we'll get everything all cleaned up. And all the little pieces and parts cleaned up, fixed and painted, and all the mechanical stuff done. It'll be great. It'll be really interesting.
I think we replaced this. There's a part outside.
Do what? There's a part underneath the seat.
Yeah. It holds the gas tank.
Oh, the okay. Get up here and look. Yeah.
But there's a part outside it looks like is really rusty.
Mm-hmm.
But I think the new ones are good.
Well, the seat fits on this, but the gas tank fits under the seat. Is that how it is? Okay. Yeah.
needs to be bolted on.
Yeah. Well, what they did, they built this thing called what looked like a bucket, and they set the fuel tank down in it, and then they put cushions on the bottom and the back, and that's where the term bucket seats came from.
Really?
Yeah. Bucket seats are normally the smaller seats. A bench seat is a bigger seat. And of course you can see how the frame is wood. They used wood for the body frame. Wood but they had wood on the floors, and they were boards, and they called them floorboards. And that's where the term floorboard came from. Yeah. I bet that's original. Look at that. Yep. An old original burlap bag with some kind of stuff on it, and the springs.
I don't think there's this place.
Is that the same thing? Or does that sit in this or under it?
It looks like it might sit inside of it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get a better parts breakdown book showing us about this. It might fit in there. The tank needs something to fit on. Think that. Oh no, it's kind of wide, isn't it? It does have room over here. Yeah, I don't know.
I think this. Yeah. Honestly, this is it, but this piece is bolted onto here.
Okay.
So we can take this off and put it on there.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, this is the.
Okay, that makes sense. So part of that needs to go into this. All right. Well, we'll figure it out as time goes. We'll figure out every little piece and part, right? The cover for that is sitting back here on the floor, over there. You can see it back there. That'll need to go back on. Oh, let me get in the door. Yeah, these old cars are really interesting. Alrighty. Wish us luck on our project.